Hey guys, in today's video I would like to talk about the 2014 Toyota Camry XLE V6. This generation Camry is currently in its third model year with its same body style. The current Camry was introduced back in 2011 and goes on sale later that year as a 2012 model. It also received a refreshed body with more angular styling and jacket tail light. However, the interior has been totally redesigned with quality material and offers plenty of space for its occupants. The Camry continued to remain as one of the top-selling vehicles on the market for the year 2014, thanks to its reputation for being the most valuable cars brand, as well as the highest retained cars value in the world today. The Toyota Camry received top overall ratings from both U.S. safety agencies and comes standard with 10 airbags, as well as Bluetooth connectivity and the screen-based display audio system with Bluetooth audio streaming, USB connectivity, and iPod connectivity is now included even in the base Camry L model. A navigation system with voice recognition is also available as an option, as is a high-end JBL sound system with HD radio and satellite radio. Last but not least, Entune Premium sound system is also available. Up front, you see the projector beam halogen headlights with auto on and off feature. Integrated into the headlight is the daytime running light, as well as the turn signal light. At the bottom is the pair of fog lights, which come standard on the XLE model, and the specific Toyota Camry chrome grille with Toyota logo in the middle. Very aggressive front ends. This particular model comes with 17-inch 10-spokes alloy wheels with P215/55 Michelin tires. Behind the wheel is the set of 11.65-inch power-assisted internally ventilated brake discs for the front and a solid 11-inch brake disc for the rear with hydraulic brake booster, electronic brake control, and store safety system. Body color side view mirror with black section at the bottom. On top is the sunroof that can be tilted up for ventilation or slides out for an open air feeling. To the back, you see the jacket style tail lights, brake lights, as well as turn signal lights are integrated into the tail lights. At the bottom is the dual chrome tip exhaust that comes standard on the XLE model. And here's the rear view camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. Okay, on the remote, I have the lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic buttons. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. The car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand behind the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as Classic Silver, featuring light gray and stratus interior leather seats, black on the dash and door panel, with dark wood trims and aluminum trims throughout, with chrome interior door handles as well. Very modern looking. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. With your foot on the brake, push the start button to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2014 Toyota Camry XLE V6 have to offer. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 engine, DOHC, 24-valve with dual variable valve timing with intelligence, 6-speed electronically controlled transmission with intelligence, front-wheel drive, pushing out 268 horsepower at 6,200 RPM and 248 pound-feet of torque at 4,700 RPM, can hit from 0 to 60 in 6.6 seconds. EPA estimated fuel economy is 21 city, 31 highway, and 25 combined. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here is a look at the driver's side door panel. It is light gray at the bottom and black on the top with gray contrast stitching. Driver's side windows are fully automatic. There's the lock and unlock buttons and the side view mirror controlled. There you have the door storage compartment and a cup holder. Here's a look at the pedals. Black door sealed. And a closer look at the seats. Both front seats feature multi-stage heated front seats with seat back pockets. Driver seats feature 8-way power adjustable seats with power lumbar support and 4-way power adjustable front passenger seats. The 4-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather. Looks and feel really nice. Featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience, with control for audio, Bluetooth, and hand-free mobile phones controlled, as well as voice command and the most frequent used function in the vehicle. Behind the wheel you have the windshield wiper controlled, and the light controlled, as well as the turn signal light controlled. Here's the look at the gauge. Steering wheel does feature manual tilt and telescopic steering column. Over to the left you have the driver's side air vent, blind spot monitoring system, as well as traction controlled, storage compartment, and a closer look at the dash. Very nice contrast stitching on the dash as well. This model comes equipped with Entune Premium Audio System with navigations and app suites, which include the Entune Multimedia Bundle, which include the 7-inch high-resolution touchscreen with split-screen display, AM/FM CD player, 6 speakers, auxiliary audio jack, USB 2.0 port with iPod connectivity and controlled, advanced voice recognition, hand-free phone capability, phone book access, and music streaming via Bluetooth wireless technology, HD radio, HD predictive traffic and Doppler weather overlay, AM/FM catch radio, Sirius XM radio with 90 days all-access trial, and Grace Note music features. Down here you have the dual zone climate controlled, and here you have the storage compartment with USB auxiliary input as well as the 12-volt power outlet. There you have your 3-stage heated seats for driver and passenger. Here's the gearbox. It is wrapped in leather with wood trims on top. Just pull down to get into reverse. Once you're in reverse, the backup camera will display on the multimedia screen with guidance line for a much easier backup. And pull down again for neutral, and down again for drive, and over to the left for manual mode. And that's when you can manually change gears. Another 12-volt power outlet. center storage compartment, glove box compartment, and here you have a bottle of sealant cleaner for vehicle protections that comes with the vehicle. Very nice wood trims and aluminum trims on the dash. And a close-up look at the seat. On top you have the light controlled, 3 buttons universal garage door opener, sunglasses holder, and one touch open, close, and tilt moonroof. Now the moonroof can be tilted up for ventilation or slides open for an open air feeling. Sun visor mirror with a card holder. Now let's take a look at the rear seats. Rear seats offer seating for 3 passengers, and it does offer folded options. You can fold the seat into 60-40 split, so just in case you need to fold it down for an extra cargo space. Rear door storage compartment looks like it can fit 2 bottles, and beautiful wood trims in the back as well. Rear seats look very spacious. Here's a look to the front cabins from the rear seat. Very nice cabin. And a look to the top. Dual air vent for the rear passenger. Rear seat is really comfortable and offer plenty of leg rooms. I'm 5'8", and this is how much leg rooms I have left. Rear seats are well padded as well. Rear seat pocket. Okay, here you have the armrest with a dual cup holder. And here's a look to the back. Light controlled for the rear. Now let's pop up the trunk as well as the gas cap. Gas cap is located on the driver's side, and the gas tank holds approximately 17 gallons of fuel. It does not require premium unleaded fuel, so any unleaded fuel will be okay. And let's pop the trunk and see how much cargo space the trunk offers. The trunk offers a 15.4 cubic feet of cargo space, which is pretty spacious for its class. And if you need more cargo space, you can always pull this 2 knob here to fold down the rear seat, and that's when you get additional cargo space if needed. Alright, like I mentioned earlier, it does offer a folded option, and you can fold it in 60-40 split. Very convenient. And the back seats does have the plastic back seats, so you won't scratch the back of the seat. Also have your floor mat inside the trunk. Overall, the 2014 Toyota Camry is very spacious and offers seating for 5 passengers. Rear seats offer plenty of legrooms and headrooms, and is very comfortable sitting in the back as well. Front cabins offer very good quality materials, with beautiful contrast stitching on the seats, the dash, as well as the door panels, and the beautiful wood trims all around that adds a nice touch to the car. Front passenger seats are really comfortable as well, and does offer plenty of rooms. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2014 Toyota Camry XLE model. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so for more future video reviews. And I'll see you guys next time.